everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be doing a hard gel set using my Blingline hard gels and my beautiful Alina hand. And yeah, so I've got Maya here. If you see on my phone there, this is the set that I wanted to try and recreate. I'm doing a different shape now though. I'm doing more of an almond shape. And the original set was like a tapered square or a tapered square, I'm going to say. So this is Maya. I've already got it on the skin. I feel like I haven't done hard gel for like ages, and I really do enjoy using hard gel. I don't know why I haven't used it for so long, but I've been using acrylic, so I love both actually. Gel is less stinky than acrylic, so it definitely has its like advantages over acrylic, I think, and it's a lot easier to file. But I still have this place in my heart for acrylic. I don't know, I just love them both. So anyway, right, before you apply your colour, you would need to prep your nail and apply some Super Bond. I'm not doing that, I'm being a bit lazy. I'm just going straight in with the colour because this isn't a real person. So I'm going to apply 2 coats of Maya. And I am going to put her on the ring finger as well. Just at this point, I don't know, sometimes I'm never quite sure how to go about a set of nails, and I kind of end up adding time on. So like I could have put that first coat on with the first coat, like you'll see in a minute. Anyway, I'm waffling a bit, but this is the second coat of Maya that I'm putting on all of the nails. The hard gels that I'm using need 60-second in an LED lamp, and Blingline do their own lamp as well. So yeah, if you want to get their own lamp, then you can. This is Isla. So this is a really gorgeous shimmery look. It looks so pretty. It's just like, oh, I feel like that's Christmas in a pot. See, look, I'm putting a coat of Maya on, and I could have done this when I done the first coat on the other nails, but I didn't really think about it. It's because I don't do clients. If I'd done clients more, yeah. Anyway, I'm also using Shirley. This is like a silver. It's got different shaped glitters in it. Not glitter. Yeah, glitters. Right, second coat of Maya going on. I'm not going to cure this yet though. I'm just going to clean off my brush, and then into that I am applying some of that Isla hard gel. And we're gonna make a little bit of a kind of like a marble, but not too marbly. So I'm just running it through the uncured pink hard gel, and then I'm just sort of making some, I don't know, just some lines with my detailer brush. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, I'm gonna leave it like that. Then I thought it'd be a good idea to add Shirley in while it was still uncured, but I was worried that it was gonna get covered up. I didn't want the glitter to be covered up with the pink, so I thought I'd cure it first. Then I'll go over with the silver glitter. I did put too much on, so I do have to do a lot of cleaning up here. I probably should have used my detailer brush for it. Look. What a mess you're making, Nats. Oh, I really am. I kept cleaning off my brush because the glitter just wanted to stick to the nail. But there we go. Once I was relatively happy with it, I popped it straight into the lamp. Oh no, we don't. Hang on. No, we don't. Sorry, I was not thinking then. I was just watching. You're supposed to talk through it, Nats. This nail, I'm going to do, we're going to have silver over the top. And then I'm also going to use some nail sugar glitter for this one. So if you notice, the set had like a nice sort of burgundy pinky glitter on it. I'm also putting a little bit of Shirley on the free edge of this nail, and then I'm going to blend it up towards the cuticle. So it's kind of like a glitter fade. I suppose that's exactly what it is, really. I didn't put that much on. I probably would have put a bit more on, really, but I didn't. Okay, and then once I'm happy, this is the glitter. This is called Rosy Posy from Nail Sugar. If you want to get 10% off any Nail Sugar glitters, I've got a code NatMug10. So what I was doing initially was I was putting some of the bigger bits and the medium bits, but not the fines, on top of this silver glitter. And it was sort of taking quite some time. And I don't know why I stopped there, but I do cover that whole nail in the Rosy Posy glitter. Where have I gone? See, like, I go from that nail to this nail. This nail obviously won't need as much because it's only like half the nail. But I cure that in the lamp, and then what I do is I go over this nail with a thin layer of Cool One Step gel, and then I add the glitter on. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why I done it like that. Because I'm a bit of a fruitcake. So I say I'm covering the whole nail. You can still see the glitter underneath, the silvery glitter hard gel underneath. But I want the Rosy Posy all over the nail. And then once I've got enough on, I'll pop that into the lamp for a full cure, 60-second cure. And then what I'm doing is I'm just brushing over some of that Shirley hard gel because it looked too, I don't know, I didn't want it to look, I don't know what the word is, but I brushed over with Shirley, and I tried to brush some off because I still want you to be able to see that glitter through it. It was really pretty. And then we're going to cap them. So we're going to build our structure now. So I go over with a thin layer of clear, and then I'm going to take a bigger bead to create our apex. I got way too much. But I kind of pillow it back, and then I work it. You can do like little circles, or for this shape I just found it easier to work like doing little little side, going from one side to the other in like little curves. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm going to do the same on this one. Again, my bead was way too big. I got way too much, but the luckily hard gel is a breeze to file. So again, I'm working side to side, making sure my brush doesn't leave the gel until I've finished. And then I hold the hand upside down just to make sure that the gel sort of tips into the right place. I've done the other nails. I thought it's all the same. And then when you're ready to, just before you're ready to file, you need to wipe off that tacky layer because it's going to have a tacky layer. And then you can start to file your nails. So I don't show you me filing all the nails because filing. That's all I'm going to say. So look, I've zoomed ahead. They're all filed. They're looking gorgeous already. I'm going to use this diamond dust glitter from Nail Sugar. And I'm using my no wipe top coat from Madam Glam. I do have a 30% off code for Madam Glam. It's NatMug30. So we're going to sugar this nail with this gorgeous diamond dust glitter. So I'm going over with the no wipe top coat. But before we cure that, we are going to tip the glitter all over this nail. And then tap off the excess. And I'm going to put that into the lamp to cure. Isn't it cute? I love it. And then I'll sort that out in a minute. I'm going to just top coat the others first. So this was that kind of marbled nail. And then we're going to do the glitter fade. I don't know what you want to call it. And then we can do this. This is so pretty, this now. I'm getting almost sort of Christmassy. I don't know, I feel quite Christmassy at the minute. We haven't even got Halloween out of the way. There we go, just making sure I've properly top coated them. And then they're going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to use a hard brush to just brush off any of the excess glitter from that sugared nail. And then that is going to be them finished. So you can get Blingline from the Blingline UK or the Little Nail Shop. Yeah, and Alina hand as well. This is my Anais hand from Alina hand. I love this hand so much. I'll show you a little bit of a close-up in a second. I'm going to just sort of wipe the hand so they're just free of dust, and then this is them done. I hope you like them. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing, and I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with another video. I'm quite I feel like I'm quite organised this week. Famous last words. Okay, love you all.